In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll in Kindle Unlimited on KDP, even if you're just starting your publishing journey. Kindle Unlimited is a fantastic platform for reaching a wide audience of avid readers who love discovering new books every month. By enrolling your book, you can tap into this community and earn royalties for every page read. So let's dive right in and break down the entire process for you. To begin, the first thing you need to do is enroll your book in KDP Select. This is an essential step because Kindle Unlimited is part of the KDP Select program. When you're setting up your book in Kindle Direct Publishing, you'll come across an option to enroll it in KDP Select. By choosing to opt into KDP Select, you are also opting into Kindle Unlimited automatically. This means that your book will be available to a vast number of Kindle Unlimited subscribers without any extra steps on your part. It's that straightforward. Once you've enrolled in KDP Select, your book will be included in Kindle Unlimited automatically. There's nothing more you need to do to get your book onto this platform. Just a note here. While you're part of KDP Select, your ebook must be exclusive to Kindle, so you can't distribute it on any other platform during the enrollment period. This exclusivity is what allows Kindle Unlimited readers to access your book seamlessly. With your book now part of Kindle Unlimited, it becomes available to all subscribers. These avid readers have access to your work, along with thousands of other great titles, as part of their membership perks. Essentially, they don't need to make a separate purchase to start diving into your content. And here's a little tip. Make sure your book cover and description are enticing and informative, as these elements can help attract more readers to your work. Finally, let's talk about the rewards. One of the significant benefits of having your book in Kindle Unlimited is earning royalties based on the number of pages read. It's a different model from a traditional sale, but it's quite rewarding. As subscribers read through your book, you earn a portion of the KDP Select Global Fund. The more pages that get turned, the more you earn. In summary, enrolling in Kindle Unlimited through KDP Select is a straightforward process that opens up new avenues for reaching readers and earning royalties. Just remember that by enrolling in KDP Select, you are opting into Kindle Unlimited automatically, making your book accessible to subscribers and allowing you to earn based on pages read. By following these steps and understanding the benefits, you can effectively leverage Kindle Unlimited to grow your readership and maximize your earnings.